Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best AI music generator by comparing Suno AI and Soundraw in 2025. If you're looking for the best AI music generator in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Soundraw allows users to generate royalty-free music. It offers tools to shorten intros, customize song structure, and rearrange choruses. Soundraw also allows the distribution and monetization of the generated music. Suno is an AI song generation tool that lets you create full lyrical songs using text prompts. It allows users to generate instrumentals, voices, and songs using input from different genres and styles. Suno also lets you upload tracks and generate similar tracks inspired by the uploaded piece. Suno is a text-based AI music generator, meaning customization also happens through text prompts. In the custom mode, you can write your lyrics, explain the style you need, and give the track your preferred title. This can feel restrictive if you are not well-versed with music terminologies. Soundraw offers better customization options. You can control length, BPM, instruments, volume, tempo, key, genre, mood, and theme options. Using the mixer, you can change the intensity of each instrument to your liking. Suno offers a basic free plan with a limit of 10 songs and non-commercial terms. The plan is pretty straightforward and cheaper than Soundraw. Soundraw's pricing plan is very confusing. Its free plan is not mentioned on the pricing page and offers nothing besides allowing you to play around with the tool. The pricing starts at $16.99 for creators with unlimited downloads. However, the artist plan starts at $29.99 with a limit of just 10 songs. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.